From the vastness of space, our journey begins with a breathtaking view of Earth, suspended like a blue gem against the endless darkness. Sunlight washes over the planet, illuminating swirling clouds and shimmering oceans, casting continents in gentle relief. The delicate interplay of light and shadow reveals the living tapestry of our world, a dynamic sphere teeming with life, energy, and motion. As the planet spins gracefully, it reminds us of our place in the cosmos, a small but vibrant home orbiting a distant star. Drifting closer, the moon emerges, steadfast companion to Earth. Its silvery surface is marked by ancient craters and rolling plains, bearing silent witness to eons of cosmic history. With quiet majesty, the moon traces its eternal path around Earth, sculpting the tides and shaping the rhythms of life below. Each orbit is a testament to gravitational harmony, a celestial dance choreographed across millions of years. The moon's phases, waxing and waning, paint the night sky with soft, ethereal glow, connecting us to the cycles of time and the mysteries of the universe. Venturing outward, we encounter the enigmatic beauty of Mars, the red planet. Its ruddy hue glows beneath the faint sunlight, a world sculpted by dust storms and ancient volcanoes. The surface is a canvas of windswept plains, towering mountains, and deep canyons, hinting at a story of transformation and change. Mars invites dreams of exploration and discovery, its thin atmosphere and rusty soil sparking questions about water, life, and the potential for future colonies. The planet stands as a symbol of human curiosity, beckoning us to challenge boundaries and reach for new horizons. Beyond Mars, the solar system's giant reveals itself. Jupiter, a colossal sphere of swirling clouds and relentless storms. Its striped atmosphere churns with energy, while the Great Red Spot, a massive tempest larger than Earth, rages endlessly across its surface. Lightning crackles in turbulent bands of color, and moons orbit in intricate patterns, each with its own secrets and wonders. Jupiter's gravity commands respect, shaping the paths of neighboring worlds and capturing the imagination of astronomers for centuries. It is a planet of extremes, a guardian of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Further still, Saturn appears, adorned with its iconic rings. These luminous bands shimmer and sparkle, composed of countless icy fragments and rocky debris, circling the planet in a mesmerizing display. Saturn itself glows with a soft golden light, while its many moons drift quietly nearby, each adding to the planet's allure. The rings tell a story of cosmic collisions and fragile balance, a delicate structure both awe-inspiring and ephemeral. Saturn's elegance stands as a reminder of the beauty that emerges from chaos and the intricate patterns that nature weaves across the universe. Approaching the asteroid belt, the landscape shifts. Here, gigantic rocks and fragments float through the void, remnants of a primordial era. These asteroids tumble and spin, their surfaces pitted and scarred by impacts. The belt forms a boundary between the inner and outer planets, a region teeming with diversity and danger. Some asteroids carry the building blocks of life, while others harbor secrets of the solar system's birth. Together, they form a cosmic mosaic, a testament to the forces that shaped everything we know. Finally, our gaze lifts to the grandeur of the Milky Way. From afar, this spiral galaxy unfurls in a dazzling whirl of light, its arms stretching across unimaginable distances. Billions of stars crowd together, each a beacon of energy and possibility. Nebulae swirl in vibrant clouds, birthing new stars and planets amid cosmic dust. Black holes lurk at the galaxy's heart, warping space and drawing matter into their mysterious depths. The Milky Way is both our home and our gateway to the infinite, a vast community of worlds dancing in harmony. As we journey from Earth to the edges of the galaxy, each stop reveals a chapter in the story of creation, transformation, and wonder. The blazing sunlight on Earth, the steadfast orbit of the Moon, the rusty deserts of Mars, the storms of Jupiter, the shimmering rings of Saturn, the drifting giants of the asteroid belt, and the radiant spiral of the Milky Way, all combine to paint a portrait of the universe's grandeur. Each celestial body holds its own secrets, its own rhythms, and its own role in the cosmic tapestry. Earth, with its blue oceans and green continents, nurtures life in infinite forms. Its delicate atmosphere shields and sustains, fostering the evolution of plants, animals, and cultures that shape our existence. The Moon, ever present in the sky, marks the passage of time and inspires stories, legends, and scientific pursuits. Mars, with its alien landscapes, kindles dreams of exploration, pushing humanity to imagine what lies beyond. Jupiter, the giant, demonstrates the power of scale, its magnetic field and gravity shaping the destinies of countless smaller worlds. Saturn, resplendent with rings, shows the beauty that can emerge from disruption and collision, while its moons invite speculation about life in the icy depths. The asteroid belt, chaotic and ancient, bridges the gap between terrestrial and gas giant planets. It is a region of both risk and opportunity, harboring resources and challenges for future explorers. And above all, the Milky Way stretches as a symbol of unity and diversity, a gathering of stars and planets, nebulae and mysteries, woven together in a cosmic dance. Within its spiral arms, the story of our solar system unfolds, and countless others await to be discovered. Our journey across these worlds is not just a voyage through space, but a passage through time. Each planet, moon, and asteroid tells of past cataclysms, triumphs, and transformations. The sun's light, so vital on Earth, touches each world in different ways, shaping climates, surfaces, and the potential for life. From the quiet serenity of the moon to the raging storms of Jupiter, from the silent drift of asteroids to the swirling brilliance of the galaxy, the universe offers endless opportunities for reflection, exploration, and wonder. As we gaze upward, let us remember that every point of light in the night sky is a world, a star, or a galaxy, each with its own story to tell. The journey from Earth to the Milky Way is a celebration of discovery, curiosity, and the unending quest to understand our place in the cosmos. In this vast expanse, our home is both unique and connected, part of a greater whole, linked by the laws of physics and the dreams of those who dare to look beyond. Let the beauty and mystery of the universe inspire us to keep seeking, learning, and reaching for the stars. From the warmth of the sun to the distant spiral of the Milky Way, the wonders of space are there for all who venture forth, inviting us to join the grand exploration and to write new chapters in the story of existence. In the profound darkness of interstellar space, silence reigns supreme. Here, the distance between stars stretches beyond imagination, and the faint glow of distant suns barely pierces the velvet blackness. The cosmos, vast and enigmatic, invites wonder and curiosity. It is a realm where the boundaries of reality blur, and the laws of physics reveal their most extraordinary secrets. Amidst this endless expanse, a blue giant star dominates its surroundings. Its immense size and sheer luminosity set it apart from all others. This stellar behemoth burns fiercely, radiating waves of energy that travel across light years. Its surface is a tempest of searing heat and magnetic storms, swirling with gases that shimmer in every shade of blue. For any observer fortunate enough to witness it, the blue giant is a spectacle of power, a cosmic lighthouse shining with unwavering intensity, illuminating the darkness for untold distances. Suddenly, the tranquility of space is shattered by a cataclysmic event, a supernova explosion. In an instant, the dying star erupts, releasing more energy than the sun will in its entire lifetime. The blast sends shockwaves rippling through the void, and a flash of light, brighter than an entire galaxy, momentarily eclipses the stars around it. Debris races outward, forging new elements in the crucible of destruction. For a brief moment, the universe bears witness to both the end and the beginning, as the remnants of the supernova seed the cosmos with the building blocks of future worlds. Far from the chaos of stellar death, planets orbit in quiet majesty. The first is a gas giant, colossal and beautiful, with a sky painted in shades of deep violet and indigo. Vast clouds swirl endlessly, sculpted by powerful winds that circle the planet at unimaginable speeds. Lightning dances through the clouds, illuminating the purple haze with flickers of electric energy. Beneath this mesmerizing atmosphere, layers of gases compress and churn, hiding mysteries yet to be revealed. The gas giant is a world of perpetual motion, its secrets guarded by a veil of color and storm. Drifting farther into the unknown, a frozen world emerges, a planet of ice where the surface glistens under an eerie blue-tinged light. Frozen seas stretch from horizon to horizon, their glassy surfaces reflecting the distant starlight in dazzling patterns. Towering glaciers claw at the sky, and snow falls in silent cascades. Untouched for millennia, the air is thin, crisp, and cold beyond measure. Yet within this icy expanse, the planet's beauty is undeniable. It is a world sculpted by the relentless passage of time, where every crystal and snowdrift tells a story of endurance and transformation. In stark contrast, another planet blazes with heat and fury, a world of molten rock and raging fire. Rivers of lava carve glowing paths across the scarred surface, and geysers of magma erupt in spectacular displays. The air shimmers with heat, and the sky is tinged with crimson, casting an otherworldly glow over the landscape. This planet is alive with volcanic activity, constantly reshaping itself in bursts of energy and movement. It is a place where creation and destruction coexist, the ground itself a testament to the raw power of nature unleashed. But perhaps the most mysterious and awe-inspiring feature of this cosmic panorama lies at its heart, a supermassive black hole. Invisible to the eye, its presence is revealed only in the strange dance of matter and light around it. Gravity here is absolute, bending the very fabric of space and time. Streams of gas and dust spiral inward, drawn by the black hole's irresistible pull. As matter approaches the event horizon, it heats up and glows, forming a luminous accretion disk that encircles the darkness. Light itself is caught in the gravitational grip, warped and twisted into arcs and rings. The black hole is the ultimate enigma, consuming everything in its path and challenging our understanding of reality. Across these distant realms, the universe reveals its infinite diversity. Each world, each phenomenon, is a chapter in the grand story of creation. The interplay of light and shadow, heat and cold, order and chaos, shapes the tapestry of existence. From the radiant brilliance of the blue giant to the silent depths of the icy planet, from the violent upheaval of volcanic landscapes to the unfathomable mystery of the black hole, the cosmos is a place of constant transformation. Though we observe from afar, it is impossible not to feel a sense of connection. The atoms that make up our bodies were forged in the hearts of ancient stars, scattered across space by supernovae, and recycled through countless generations of celestial objects. We are, in a very real sense, children of the universe, born from its fires, shaped by its storms, and drawn inevitably toward its wonders. As our understanding grows, so too does our appreciation for the vastness and complexity of the universe. Telescopes and spacecraft extend our vision, revealing worlds we can only dream of visiting. Each discovery inspires new questions, driving us to explore further and look deeper. The journey is endless, but the rewards are profound. A deeper knowledge of our origins, a greater sense of our place in the cosmos, and an enduring fascination with the mysteries that await us. In the end, the universe is both a canvas and a symphony, a masterpiece painted in starlight and composed in gravitational waves. Its beauty is not just in the things we see, but in the stories they tell. The blue giant's radiance speaks of the birth and death of stars. The gas giant's storms whisper of the chaos that shapes worlds. The icy planet's silence reminds us of the resilience of nature. The lava planet's fury reveals the power of transformation, and the black hole's gravity hints at the ultimate limits of knowledge. As we tamruti into the night sky, we are reminded that the universe is always changing, always revealing new wonders. There are worlds yet undiscovered, phenomena yet unexplained, and mysteries waiting just beyond the reach of our imagination. The cosmos beckons us to explore, to learn, and to dream, to seek out the strange and the beautiful in the vastness of space. Thus, the journey continues. Each star, each planet, each cosmic event is a milestone along the path of discovery. The universe is not just out there, it is part of us, and we are part of it. In the farthest reaches of space, among the strangest and most wonderful worlds, we glimpse the infinite possibilities of existence. And as we continue to explore, we carry with us the hope that, someday, we may uncover the true nature of the universe and our place within its boundless expanse. In the vast expanse beyond the familiar constellations of our night sky, the universe unfolds in breathtaking spectacle. At the outermost edge of what we can observe, clusters of galaxies spin in cosmic ballet, each cluster home to millions of galaxies, swirling and shimmering in a dance that has persisted for billions of years. The colors that paint these galaxies are not mere decorations. They are signatures of the ages, compositions, and processes that have shaped them since the dawn of time. Imagine drifting through this grand assembly. Each galaxy is a sprawling island of stars, dust, and gas, held together by gravity and bound in motion. Some are spiral-shaped, their arms coiled gracefully, glowing with the light of newborn stars. Others are elliptical, smooth and ancient, their colors muted by the passage of eons. Together, they form a tapestry that stretches as far as the eye and technology can reach. As we peer more deeper, we witness moments of profound transformation. Two galaxies, drawn ever closer by their mutual gravitation, collide in an epic encounter. This is no gentle merging. It is a cosmic upheaval. Stars are flung into new orbits, clouds of gas compress and ignite, and the heart of each galaxy is stirred by tidal forces. In the aftermath, a brilliant burst of light erupts, illuminating the surrounding space. New stars are born in the chaos, and the merged galaxy emerges, changed forever by this intricate dance. But these collisions are not isolated events. They are part of a larger structure, the cosmic web, a network of filaments and nodes that span the universe, connecting galaxies and clusters across unimaginable distances. This web is woven from dark matter and gas, its luminous threads stretching out for hundreds of millions of light years. Along these filaments, galaxies gather and grow, fed by streams of cosmic material. The web itself is invisible to our eyes, but its presence is revealed by the distribution of galaxies and the faint glow of intergalactic gas. Gazing further, we see light that has traveled for billions of years to reach us. It is dimmed and reddened by time and distance, a relic of the universe's earliest moments. This red glow is the afterglow of creation, the faint signature of the primordial fireball that marked the birth of all that exists. It whispers to us of a time when the universe was young, filled with swirling clouds of hydrogen and helium, before the first stars ignited and galaxies took shape. Here at the edge of the observable universe, the depths of the sky reveal their secrets. The background is not empty. It is infused with the ancient radiation left over from the Big Bang. known as the cosmic microwave background. This subtle glow is a map of the universe's infancy, imprinted with tiny fluctuations that would grow into the galaxies and clusters we see today. In this deep sky, the limits of our observation are not set by distance alone, but by the age of light itself. The farther we look, the further back in time we see. The panorama of the cosmic frontier is both humbling and awe-inspiring. It reminds us of our place within a universe that is vast beyond comprehension, yet governed by laws and patterns we strive to understand. The edge is not a boundary, but a horizon, a place where knowledge meets mystery, and where every answer leads to new questions. With a sudden shift, our perspective races back toward Earth, crossing billions of light years in an instant. The galaxies recede, the cosmic web blurs, and the red glow of the ancient universe fades into the darkness behind us. We return to the familiar vantage point of our own world, suspended in space, orbited by the moon, warmed by the sun, and sheltered by a thin veil of atmosphere. Above us, the night sky sparkles with starlight. Each point of light is a reminder of the vastness beyond, a sun in its own right, distant yet ever present. The patterns and shapes of constellations are stories written across the generations, guides for navigation and inspiration for myths. Yet, we now know that each star is but one among hundreds of billions in our galaxy, and our galaxy is but one among countless others in the universe. The edge of the observable universe is not merely a limit of sight, it is a frontier of discovery. It challenges us to ask how the universe began, how it evolved, and what lies beyond what we can see. Every photon of ancient light that reaches us carries information from epochs long past, offering clues about the origins of matter, the nature of space and time, and the fate of all that exists. In contemplating the rim of the universe, we also reflect on our own journey. Humanity's quest to understand the cosmos has transformed our view of existence. Through telescopes and satellites, we have mapped the distribution of galaxies, traced the filaments of the cosmic web, and measured the faint afterglow of the Big Bang. Each new discovery expands our horizons, pushing the edge farther and farther away. Yet for all our exploration, the universe remains a place of wonder and mystery. The cosmic web, the merging of galaxies, the red-shifted glow of ancient light, these phenomena speak to processes that are both familiar and alien, governed by the same physical laws, but on scales that dwarf our imagination. The edge of the universe is a symbol of possibility, a reminder that the journey of discovery is never truly complete. As you stand beneath the stars, let your thoughts drift outward, past the familiar patterns of the Milky Way, past the nearest galaxies, past the filaments and clusters that shape the universe on the grandest scales. Imagine the vastness that lies beyond, the beauty and complexity of a cosmos in motion, and the subtle glow of creation that still echoes through the darkness. From the rim of the observable universe to the star-filled sky above, the story of the cosmos is written in light and motion. It is a tale of beginnings and endings, of collision and creation, of structure and chaos. And it is a story that continues, inviting us to look deeper, to ask questions, and to marvel at the wonders that await just beyond the edge of our understanding.